The Studio 5 team has been Team Stanley for years through and through. It's an everyday office essential around here. But one thing we don't love, I think women can agree, is the spilling, right? A little bump and your entire drink just dumps. So in today's Love List, we are solving the spill problem with a lid that will leak-proof your Stanley and stop all of the spills. So you simply unscrew the old lid that your Stanley came from, and then put on the replacement lid. You're good to go. No spills, no leaks. It's dishwasher safe. This might look a little familiar. It does happen to resemble a rival company's lid, so we're kind of sort of combining the looks of two brands. You can take it apart to get the straw clean. Sort of the best of both water bottle worlds, if you will. We've tested it, we've tried it. It earns the Studio 5 stamp of approval. It comes in multiple colors, so to pair the colorway of your Stanley and sync up, you can. Multiple sizes as well to fit the top of your 30 or 40 ounce Stanley. It's $12.99 for a 2-pack, and it's available on Prime. So we're gonna share this link on the Studio 5 website. We've been using these at my house as well, and we definitely appreciate the leak-proof top, as I think most women and most moms do.